Hey Ricky, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. And I've found that by giving people an easy, free plan of things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow, shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these tools and tricks that I give you today and do it yourself, that works for me too. So let me get into 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to talk about is what is king in ranking your site up in Google, and that's going to be your content, okay? So organic traffic in Google is one of the most important things. It's been proven to do better than ads, and it doesn't cost money as far as, paying every ad and paying per click. So going through your website, I took it and I put it in a tool that I use called SEO Quake, and it's showing you only have 104 total words. Now, in order to rank up in Google's algorithms, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words to be optimized. So only showing with 104 words, as you can see, you want to just right out of the gate, the easiest way to fix this is just provide, about 1,400 words more of content. The more content, the better. However, it's going to come with quality as well. You don't just want to have random words in there, and that's this keyword density. So you want to have words that will trigger your site to be pulled up by Google when someone types something in. So your number one competitor when I searched Walnut, California remodeling is this right here, this Gaylor Design Build Inc. And so I also ran them, and they are showing as having 1,565 words. But not only do they have a lot more content on their page, look at some of the things that they're using as their keywords. They have remodeling, Walnut, which is the area, design build, Walnut Creek, their name, outdoor living, living space, some pretty prevalent keywords that when searched, will trigger their website to be viewed by people. So if we take this and we look, another thing that we can look at is just how prevalent those are. So these are some of the search volume, right? And so we saw they had remodeling and they had house remodeling on there. Look at that, over 14,000 clicks in search volume in the month. So this is how much these keywords are actually searched on Google every month, pulled over the past year. So bathroom remodeling. These are just some keywords that you're going to want to target when you're building up that content. All right. And so that's the most important is content, the quantity as well as the quality. So there's 2 things right there that you want to do. And then the third thing I'd like to go over real quick is just backlinks. So another tool I use, Ahrefs, I plugged yours in, and it looks like your website has to be fairly new just based on what's showing up here. That has no data, no organic keywords, no organic traffic. And then we can look at theirs, and as you can see, they have almost 2,000 backlinks, 600 referring domains, a bunch of keywords, as you can see, and then this is their traffic value. So if we look in the backlinks here, what a backlink is basically it is one site referring to another website, right? So we can see here arch.usc.edu, somewhere on their page is referring to gaylordesignbuild.com. And the way Google views this is a big popularity contest. They want to see that you have prevalence, you have trust, and your website is one that needs to be identified by Google as a top website. And the way they do that, besides content and keywords, is by looking at what other websites are referring to you. Because it's basically saying this website trusts your website, so they're referring people to you, if that makes sense. So we call that link juice, and that's going to be very important. That's probably the second most important thing is how much backlinks you have and how much backlink power you're getting from these outside websites. So in closing, we went over 3 things. The first thing we went over is your content. You currently have 104 where your competition has over 1,500 words, right? So right at the gate, the easiest thing you can do is just build your content up. The second thing we went over is keywords and how important getting those keywords in your content is going to be. As we talked about, look at the number of searches you're missing out on by not having those keywords when people are Googling. Thirdly, we discussed link juice and how important it's going to be to get those backlinks, build those backlinks up from outside sources. So we've kind of talked about some strategies that you could start implementing today and be number one across Google, especially for the Walnut, California remodeling. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you and do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. I'm all about building small businesses. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.